We've all been in that meeting. Someone says the word AI. Everyone around the table nods slowly, very seriously, and inside, half the room is thinking, do any of us actually know what this means? If that's ever been you, welcome. You're among friends. In the next few minutes, I'm going to explain what AI actually is. No coding, no math, no jargon, and by the end, you'll be the person nodding for real. Okay, simplest honest definition. AI is software that can do things we used to think needed a human brain. Understand language, recognize a face, make a decision. That's the whole idea. Regular software is like a very obedient intern that only does exactly what it's told. If button clicked, do thing. Step outside the instructions and it panics. AI is the intern that actually learned on the job instead of memorizing rules. It learns patterns from examples and figures things out. That one difference, learning from examples instead of following fixed rules, is the entire reason AI feels like a different species of technology. Let me make this real. And yes, we're using cats, because the internet legally requires it. Say you want a computer to recognize a cat. The old way, write rules, pointy ears, whiskers, fur. Great, until a fox shows up and ruins everything. So AI does it differently. You show it thousands of photos labeled cat or not cat, and it slowly learns the vibe of a cat on its own. No rules written by anyone. Then you show it a brand new photo and it goes, yep, cat. That whole process has a name, machine learning. It's the engine under basically all AI. Here's the bit that genuinely broke my brain the first time. Nobody programmed it to know what a cat is. It learned it, the same way a toddler does, by seeing 100 cats and eventually going, cat. Once that clicked for me, all the scary mystery kind of evaporated. Time to kill 3 myths, because they cause about 90% of the confusion. Myth 1. AI is not alive and not conscious. Despite everything the movies promised, it is not plotting against you. It doesn't want anything. It's extremely fancy pattern matching, not a tiny person in your laptop. Myth 2. It is not always right. AI can be confidently, gloriously wrong, because it's predicting what sounds correct, not looking up the truth. Think of it as that one friend who answers every question with total confidence and is right maybe 80% of the time. Myth 3. It's not magic. No wizardry, just math, data, and a truckload of examples. Powerful? Massively. Magic? Afraid not. Now the plot twist. You already use AI constantly. You just didn't get a notification about it. Netflix suggesting your next binge? AI. Spam getting filtered so you don't buy a fake yacht? AI. Autocomplete finishing your sentence. Maps rerouting you around traffic. Your phone finding every photo of your dog. AI, AI, and AI. It's not some far-off future thing. It's been quietly running errands in your pocket for years. Tools like ChatGPT just gave it a face and let you talk to it directly. So, that's AI. Software that learns from examples to do stuff that used to need a human brain. Not alive, not magic, not always right, but seriously powerful and completely learnable. Which is the entire point of this channel. We go from you, right now, doing great, all the way to AI, actually building the stuff. Next episode, I'm explaining AI agents, the phrase everyone's saying in 2026 while quietly hoping nobody asks them to define it. Sound familiar? Subscribe, and I'll see you there.